companies in your geographies. Okay. You'll have to connect with companies in your geographies and you have to collect certain data from them. All right. So it is a search exercise that we have to undertake. Now, these companies that we have to connect with are basically companies. Let me allow me to share my screen, Ishmanpreet.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. So I share the Excel. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, this is the database which we need to cover. So here we have companies which are in bakery, companies in beverages categories, companies in chocolates and sugar confectionaries, cooking ingredients and meals, dairy, health and nutrition, ice cream and frozen desserts, pet foods, sausage, dressing and condiments, snack and cereals, sweet spreads, sweet starch, etc. So all these companies are the ones that we are going to cover in our research project. Now, whichever companies are in your geography, there you need to connect with these companies and you have to check the criterias that we have for the project. So there are some basic criterias that the company should have a minimum turnover of 20 CR. Okay, they should have a turnover of between 20 to 50, 50 to 150 and 150 and above turnover. Okay, these are the three categories under which we can administer our questionnaire to these companies. These can be small companies of minimum turnover of 20 CR and between 20 to 50. Mid-level companies between 50 to 150 turnover and large companies with more than 150 crores of turnover. So these are the three categories. We have to first check whether the company, so all of these companies should qualify our turnover criteria. If any of these do not qualify, then we do not do our survey there. Okay. So that's one thing. The other is then that, in these companies, you have to identify people who will give you information about what ingredients are these companies using and who are the suppliers of those ingredients. Okay, so primarily the purchase people or the R&D people or the leadership team, so MD, GM, VP, etc., will be people who will give you these information as to what ingredients. So suppose it is Bikaner wala, so they will buy maida, atta, oil, sugar, besan and everything. So who are the suppliers for these ingredients? And there are many questions with respect to suppliers evaluation and supplier search. Okay, as to if they have to make any ingredient or any product, then how for new suppliers, do they first check with the existing suppliers or how frequently they keep adding new suppliers? What is the process of doing that? That is the entire research that one has to do. It's a long questionnaire. You have to connect with each of these companies, identify people who can give you information with respect to the suppliers who are supplying certain ingredients. Ask them for two key ingredients that they are responsible for for purchasing. So it could be say maida, but maida is not our criteria. We have a list of ingredients for which we are doing this survey. So the products that we have in our list has basically oil and fat, sweeteners. So oil and fat, there can be multiple variations, multiple kind of oils or fats that can be used across all of these industry verticals. Then multiple kind of cocoa powder and these texturizers, which are powders of soya bean and others added to give better texture to breads and bakery products and biscuits and cookies, etc. So texturizers is another category. Sweetener is one category. Sweetener could be glucose powder, syrup, glucose, maltose, dextrose, etc. It could be sugar-free things like stevia and all that. Okay, then fat and oil is there, where you have palm oil, you have many other varieties of oil and fat. Then you have cocoa powder, etc. as other ingredients. And texturizers, as I already explained. So we are doing the survey for these ingredients, right? So you have to identify companies which are there in this list and connect with them for a 10 minutes discussion and ask them, maybe if you're doing a face-to-face discussion, then maybe, you can take 15-20 minutes and ask them all the relevant questions. Right. So before I do a detailed briefing, etc., I thought I'll give you this much of information, and then you have any questions, please ask. Think about it. Think whether you would want to take it up. The other way is obviously to do these information search telephonically, but we already have people doing it, and if you want to explore that, you can try doing telephonic also. Mode is not a constraint. However, all we want is data for each of these companies, for one or two ingredients that these companies use, not all the ingredients that they use, but at least one or two ingredients that these companies use, supplier data of those ingredients. Yeah. Any questions, guys? Anyone has any questions? Please tell me. Please ask. Jeevan, Mayank, Rutvik, do you guys have any questions? Okay.
Please ask questions by unmuting yourself.
Ma'am, as you have told, if we want, we can work from home too. I am from another outer city. So I want to work from home, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. So Aurangabad will also have many manufacturing units for these products. Check what are the ones. Beverages must be there. There would be some, units for manufacturing juices, drinks, etc. So in those companies, you can do the survey. You can do even telephonic. You can try and do telephonic also. When I'm from Delhi, and due to continuous rise in COVID cases, government had put a restriction such as weekend curfew and many more. How it will be done online, work from home. Well, guys, you'll have to find a way out. See, I am only interested in the approach. I'm only interested in knowing if you guys can connect with these companies and get the information that we require. It could be face-to-face, it could be telephonic. How? From Delhi. Same, I think.
Ma'am, can I ask a question?
Yes, please, Rutvik.
So the thing is,
yeah, mode is not a concern. It could be any mode. Yes, Rutvik.
If we are working, yes,
Wanted
if
to
we
ask?
are working from home, and we can collect data from telephonically, right?
Absolutely, yes.
So will we get the contact details of the perfect certain manufacturer, or we have to get contact details also?
Yes, you have to get the contact details. You'll not get the contact details from us. You have to generate your own contact details.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions?
Another question: is there any target for per day we have to reach this many companies.
Right, yeah. So see, we'll have to close this exercise of covering all those 250 companies in next 2 to 3 weeks maximum. Okay. So we will have to break it down in our daily numbers. So suppose you have to do 250 interviews in 25 days, then in one day 10 interviews needs to be done. Right?
Yeah, okay, okay.
Yeah.
So we can complete before the date, right?
Yeah, absolutely. You can complete
Yeah,
before
okay.
that.
Okay, thank you.
So basically, no need of 8 to 9 hours per day. Of course, 8 to 9 hours is mandatory. If you don't do 8 to 9 hours per day, you'll not be able to do 9 to 10 surveys each day. Right? So for you to do some, surveys every day and reach that target and complete so this is not an open-ended thing, guys. So if you're working with us, then you'll work with us as full-time interns. Per survey, time taken to administer the survey could be 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes. And filling up the survey will take another 30 minutes. So 1 hour definitely will go in the entire process. Initially, it could be more than 1 hour. Initially, for the first day, second day, third day, it could be 2 hours also. Okay, but once you are familiar, once you have filled up a few surveys, done a few, then it should be doable in 1 hour's time. Anything else, anyone?
Yes. After this internship is completed, can we expect any permanent, like full-time job or anything?
Regular endeavor of identifying good resources. People who are doing a good job are always absorbed as permanent employees in the organization. So we are anyways looking at more people. We are expanding and have a lot of business opportunities. So we are looking at people who can do a good job and can stay as a permanent employee. Yeah, guys, are you clear? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now,
Everything is clear.
so what I would want you guys to do is, so for the categories that I have just explained to you, for these 4 or 5 categories, snack and cereal, then chocolate and sugar syrup, we will share this list with you. Okay, so whichever is your geography, so if you are in north or south or west, identify your set of companies here. Okay, in this list, identify which companies are around you, where you are located. And for those companies, please try and identify the names of suppliers of the ingredients. So suppose PepsiCo is making Lay's, PepsiCo is making some chips. Okay, some snacks. So snack and cereal category mein PepsiCo, the ingredients that we consider can be oil, obviously, because for making chips, you need oil. So oil could be one. And if PepsiCo is making, some, I don't know. So they'll also require for chips, they'll also require things like, I don't know, potatoes, etc. They are buying, and they must be using salt. Salt is not something. So we have sweeteners. So yeah, so they have beverages also. So obviously they require sweetener for beverages. Sugar syrup is something which is added in almost everything, every this thing, beverage that these people are making. So that could be another ingredient. So what I want is identify, maybe one companies from each category geography. So from snack and cereal, you can identify one company. From bakery, you can identify one. Chocolate, sugar, etc. So from each of these categories, category column is here, column B. From there, identify one companies in your locality and try and identify these suppliers for these. How do you identify suppliers? One is you connect with the company and ask them, that whom are you buying from. So you connect with somebody in the purchase using LinkedIn, using Yellow Pages, Just Dial, Sulekha, etc. and or website of the company, call them and ask who are you buying from. And you can always tell them that there is a global supplier who wants to connect and service you, and they want to offer better service, to you than what you are getting currently, and therefore they're conducting this exercise, right? So you can always say that. And but for research purposes, we are not able to divulge the name of this supplier to you. After the survey, we'll let you know the name. You can say all this. Okay, and then ask them who are their suppliers. The other way is India Mart. I find out in the product category PepsiCo what all they make. So for suppose you identify chips they are making, what are the ingredients using? So for ingredients like oil, okay, identify which vendor is supplying them the oil. So identify some of the vendors in the same geography in which this PepsiCo manufacturing unit is located. So suppose it is located in Gurgaon, then I should identify some oil suppliers. So generally, all of these companies making chips, snacks, cereals use palm olive oil. Okay. So identify suppliers for palm oil in these geographies and call them and connect and find out, and just you can tell them that you're planning to set up a unit and you will require palm oil. So please tell us if you provide it, and if you tell us the name of prominent clients whom you are supplying. Also check if during the conversation you can find out if they supply to Pepsi or not, or who supplies in companies like Pepsi, DM Foods, Balaji Wafers, etc. Right? So this exercise, and let's tomorrow maybe, and today tomorrow, and then tomorrow again same time we can connect. Okay, and then I'll give you greater clarity and details on how do we have to go about it. By then you will also understand what it is, and whether you are interested in doing this or not. And if so, then and if we see that you have the potential and you can take this up, then we'll further brief you in detail tomorrow. Okay, Ishmanpreet, please share the sheet with them. I think you have the sheet with you, right?
No, ma'am, I don't have.
Okay, so I'll forward it to you and you can share it with the two of them. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Okay, then we can let them do some work and then we can connect tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Ishmanpreet, you received content analysis from the PPT team?
Yes, ma'am. Only one mail I have received.
Only one mail.
For 1 hour.
Okay.
I will check again.
Yeah, please check and forward me whatever you have received.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So if we have received something and if the person is keen, then we can have a call at 7 o'clock. Okay. And we'll include Vinodini and this person, whosoever has sent their work,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Only one person has sent.
Okay, so who is that person? Yeah, please share her work, and if she's check with her, if she's interested, then let's schedule a call at 7 o'clock where I'll go through what she has done. I mean, I'll go through beforehand only, but I'll explain now what further needs to be done.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Okay, all right. Okay, thank you.